Get you ready for your procedure.
Despite knee replacement more than a decade ago, George Willis says he's having some issues.
And they're concerned about the hardware wearing out.
George isn't traveling far to see an orthopedic surgeon. He's close to home, here in Cresco. Today, he's seeing Dr. Richard Rattay to try to get some answers.
In rural communities, there are a lot of people with joint arthritis, a lot of people that don't want to travel to bigger towns that are 2 hours away to have their surgery where their family can't be with them.
Look at all that has changed with the orthopedic surgery services available at Regional Health Services of Howard County.
It is a great feeling to bring these services to the community. In my past experiences, when you bring this level of orthopedic care in, you're able to basically take care of the patient as a whole. They come in, they have their surgery, they recover on the med-surg floor, they do their therapy, they come back, they do outpatient therapy, they use labs, x-rays, MRIs. It not only brings services to the surgery department, but it's also all the ancillary departments in the hospital.
Does it hurt to do that?
No.
George is grateful for the help, and as chairman of the board, he was a part of the vision and ultimately the successful mission.
Wonderful. I have spoke to many people, and they're extremely pleased with the fact that we've taken the time, and when we did the remodel, that was in our future. So we redid the operating rooms to be able to handle this service should we be lucky enough to have an orthopod. So it has paid off for us handsomely when we did the remodel.
George adds that along with the top-notch facilities, they've got first-class people running it all. Front and center, Dr. Rattay.
Dr. Rattay started coming a year ago, and we started with just basic orthopedics. We were doing arthroscopy, we're doing carpal tunnels, ganglions, trigger fingers, and then in July he started doing total joints. So we're doing total knees. We have now moved into total hips and reverse total shoulders and total shoulders.
It's big city medicine here in Cresco. There's a desire to serve folks of all ages locally. That's something that Dr. Rattay is proud to be a part of.
I would like them to contact our clinic. They can either call the Mason City Clinic and schedule that way, or they can call the hospital here in Cresco and they'll get you in touch with the specialty clinic for orthopedics. And I try to get people in as soon as I possibly can. I typically tell all the providers here that because I'm only here once a week, that I'm never full. So I'll stay here till midnight if I need to, but I'll see whoever we have to see. I don't want people having to wait multiple weeks for their treatment because they won't be happy with that. And then they'll have to travel to Decorah or Mayo Clinic or some other larger town. So I try to be as available as I can, even though I'm only here once a week.
A true commitment to patient care and a heart for healing. On behalf of Regional Health Services of Howard County, I'm Chris Nelson.